Yes.
Yeah, right. Look on the bright side.
Yep.
Make them Sundays brighter. There's a lot of names to it. With Rick and Pat. Star of the show. Why? Because we've never, ever had this price for the Dyson V8. So here's the specs on the Dyson V8. Dysons, in general, 2.3 million ordered since we offered it on QVC. And this is our lowest price on our best selling vac. So this isn't the extra one that nobody wants.
Right.
This is the best selling V8. And we have it for you. And by the way, new and improved. And what are we not seeing here, Debbie?
No tangled hair. It has our latest detangling technology.
Okay, that's one demo. We're going to show you a lot. But first, come on over here, because this whole shooting match goes away at the end of the day. So it's prime time. So if you want to upgrade from a regular Dyson or another vac or a corded vac, want to cut the cord, not the power, this is your Dyson. By the way, there you see the dock. That's coming along with it. Normally, when you get this, you get the crevice tool, you get the combo tool, and you get this, what's called the hair screw tool, which is a handheld tool with a motor and no hair wraps around it. You're getting that. But wait, there's more. Because with this special offer, tough dirt on the carpet of the stairs with the pets, right? Stiff bristle brush. Things like a screen, like your TV screen or a lampshade, the soft bristle brush, the mattress tool, the extension hose, and something called the up top tool. So ceiling fans and so much more. We're going to show you that. You're getting all of that. Look at the difference. It's a $600 if purchased separately. $600. That's if you have to carry the one. That's a $300 savings.
Yes.
So we got a big savings here, everybody. Like a big opportunity for you to pick it up while supplies last. Take it away.
Yeah, and Dyson is the #1 brand when it comes to stick vacuums, which is what this configuration is. It means it's lightweight, it's powerful. This is less than 6 pounds, Rick.
Love it.
And like you said, the V8 is our best-selling vacuum here at QVC. You get up to 40 minutes of runtime with this. You're gonna have all the power that you need in that lightweight design with quick release buttons, so it makes changing all of those attachments really easy to do. You have whole machine filtration,
Great.
our latest detangling technology. It can be used on all floor surfaces.
Let's not get sexist here, but the late. Why don't I sit down and you get me a beer while you vacuum?
You wanna do some vacuum?
Maybe I should do it, right?
Sure,
Maybe I should kick in. And
Absolutely.
while I do, look at this. This is a lot of hair. Now you're a pet owner.
Yes,
right?
I have
This is
4
crazy.
pets. I also have long hair myself. So I know how awful it can be when hair gets wrapped around the brush roll.
I know what you can do. Can you show the other brush roll? Because watch this.
Yes, I can.
That other
Give me
brush roll,
1
by the way, you go get that. Because normally what happens is you get a scissors out. Because you have to now cut the hair off the brush roll.
Look at this.
We're not cutting anything. No scissors.
Cutting. This is our older technology, and you can see what a mess that is. And we listened to you.
Great.
We heard you. You said, please give us detangling technology, because we know so many Dyson owners are pet owners. So look at how great that is.
It's wonderful.
The other thing, Rick, we can go right to the bare floor.
I will. I'll go right to the bare floor.
And what I love is you don't have to do any adjusting. So the same cleaner head, which is our Motorbar cleaner head, can vacuum on carpeted surfaces, on bare floor surfaces, and it dusts your bare floors because there are actually carbon fiber bristles on the cleaner head that are dusting.
I go to a gym here in Chester County, and they have some people who come in and they do the cleaning, and they do a great job. And man, it's a big gym. And they take that Dyson V8 and they ramble around. There's no cord they need to worry about.
Exactly.
No hair wrapping around.
And you can get everywhere. Look at this.
And they get everywhere. They get under the treadmills. They get everywhere with that thing.
Right, under the furniture. What about if you want to do some cleaning up high? We're going to put on 2 of the tools that you wouldn't normally get. So you have your up-top adapter and you have your soft dusting brush. Look at the way this articulates.
Love that. Love that.
Now, because it's less than 6 pounds, I'm going to come over here. I can lift it over my head.
No
I don't
ladder
have to get out
included.
the ladder. My feet are safely planted on the ground.
Ceiling fans. Hello.
Yes.
Done.
All of those up high areas. Even,
lowest price, by the way, and this all goes away at the end of our day. So President's Day sale, it's prime time. You want to call us if you have it, great. 3,000 picked up this month, and we are down to 1 color. By the way, the color doesn't matter, right? It all does the same fantastic thing. One of my favorite tools.
It's also a handheld vacuum, and every household needs a handheld vacuum, because how else are you going to vacuum the couch after the dogs and cats are on it? Look at how you get that same detangling technology in this hair screw tool. because it actually has a conical brush bar. So the hair spirals right up into the bin, doesn't get tangled, and you get a motor in this attachment where the other attachments are air driven.
Great
so you
shot,
get that
guys.
added power there.
Nothing. By the way, never loses suction ever.
That's
Yeah,
right.
that's what the Dyson promise was originally from Sir James
And
Dyson.
look how easy it all goes back together.
Yeah, and now you're going to
Click,
show.
click, click.
Okay, come on over here.
All right, let's do
Because
this.
The reason you're switching Dysons is because
We want a completely clean one for
completely clean bin
Yes.
to show this demo.
Exactly.
So this, we don't know what's in this thing, but we have a feeling we're going to pick up a lot of stuff, but you can't really see it with the naked eye.
you. It looks pretty good, and this is the reality. In most of our houses, we don't always see the dirt that's hiding.
Here we go.
It's in the carpets, deep down, it settles, right? So we want you to do what's called the Dyson Challenge. When you get this home, take it out of the box, get it charged up, go over the same area after you vacuum with whatever you're using right now.
$600 if purchased separately. $600. This is the V8, but lowest price we have ever offered on this guy with this pack up. That's it. Okay.
Look how
this is going to be
beautiful
great.
those groom lines are.
I can
All
see it
right,
in the bin already.
Let's see this. Here's the dirt ejector, so I don't have to touch any of the dirt and dust.
Great.
Look at that, Rick. All of this was hiding in that carpet that we thought was clean. And we know that carpets wear down from the bottom up.
By the way,
so really important to have a powerful vacuum.
your hand never went, your fingers never went near the stuff. You didn't have to dig into the bin in order to get it back out. Now that was the carpet. Now here's a hardwood floor.
And this also looks good.
It looks good.
We just emptied the bin. Let's see what we can find in this floor surface. Because the V8, remember, can be used on all floor surfaces. It's engineered to clean hard floors, tile, linoleum, carpet, wall-to-wall carpet, area rugs.
On this one, you don't have to take off one of the parts.
Right.
You just lift this thing.
That handle, that lever.
Lift the lever with 3, 2, 1, boom.
Look at all that sand.
All that sand.
Some rice.
All that dirt.
Yeah,
all
this
done.
is the stuff that hides in those cracks and crevices of your floorboards.
Like 5 extra tools coming along with it.
Yes.
President's Day sale, 100 people, 3,100 with a lot of people on the line. Now this is flour or cake mix or?
This is flour. Flour can be really sticky and it can be difficult to clean up. It's usually a multi-step process, but not with the V8 Extra. Look at how shiny that floor is.
That's great. Polishes that floor.
Absolutely. Because again, remember how I said that this has carbon fiber filaments? Well, that breaks the static bond, so it allows you to pick up even the sticky messes.
Isn't that great?
Yes.
Breaks the static bond.
Yes, it dusts your bare floors as you're vacuuming.
Really impressive. Incredibly lightweight. What, 6 pounds?
Less than 6 pounds.
Less than 6 pounds, and all of that power, and all going in here. No bags, no belts, no additional cost of ownership. Now, what didn't happen with all of that batter and stuff? It didn't
you think
blow
about
up in my
we picked
face.
up all of that hair, we picked up all that white chalky powder.
Yeah.
What's happening is, because this has our whole machine filtration, this vacuum has 2 filters that are capturing 99.97% of dust and allergens as small as 0.3 microns. You just pull that right out. And what you'll do is you'll rinse these in the sink and then let them dry completely. Pop it right back on your machine. You never have to buy another filter. They are lifetime washable, and they are going to capture those particles so that they're not just being blown and spread throughout your home. Take a look at this video because it's really important when we talk about spring cleaning and trying to get our homes clean. Look at the vacuum on the top without whole machine filtration. Look at that dirty air coming out the back of the vacuum. That's because all vacuums have exhaust. But look at the V8. Look how clean the air coming out of the vacuum is because it's capturing the dirt, the dust, and the allergens.
So the whole shooting match is about to go away. Have we ever offered a lower price? Have you ever seen in all the years you've been with Dyson?
Not for this bundle.
This is when you saw
incredible.
the 2.
I said to you the other day,
two.
when I saw the 2, I had to check with my team and say,
we don't
is
see
this
the
right?
2
We
with
don't see
Dyson,
the 2.
but the V8 $299. So normally you're getting these 3 tools. We just showed them to you. The crevice tool. We're going to show you that again. The combo tool. This thing, that hair screw tool is fantastic. But you're getting 5 more tools. Showed you the up top tool, stiff bristle brush, soft bristle brush, mattress tool, and this guy we showed you that as well. The extension hose. Now let's put this in handheld mode and take it everywhere.
So because there's no cord, you're going to use this out at the car. You have a great car vacuum now. And here's that extension hose. This is one of my favorite tools because getting under the car seats, if you're in your house and you're vacuuming a bookshelf, this allows you to get into all of those spaces. You can swivel and get that added reach. Also think about dusting your dashboard with this. Just slide the brush up and now you can dust right against your dashboard.
Yeah.
Now we're going to take this off and we're going to pop this on. We're going to get the spills that happen in the kitchen. So whether it's the popcorn kernels or maybe you're doing some crafting and you take the lid off the jar and the beads go everywhere.
Got a question.
Yeah.
Is there a max mode on this thing?
There is. I'll show you that. So look at this right up here. There is a little lever. So I'm using it in the everyday powerful mode. But if I want more power, I slide it over. And you can see how the beans are jumping in before I even get there.
That's great.
Now, what we recommend is leave it in that regular mode because that's where you're getting up to 40 minutes of runtime. If I want to do dusting of the tabletops, I slide that brush down or I put on one of my dusting brushes.
But now I'll take it over.
Now we'll do the hair screw tool.
Look out.
I know, this is the best.
It's the best.
Yeah, because, you know,
it
if
digs
you have
into the carpet,
pets,
man.
Yep, it's that motor in the attachment that gives you that added power in addition to the V8.
No hair wrap
power.
around that, baby. We're live. That's not a computer animation. No, that's live QVC right now.
Exactly.
Love that. You know what else I love about Dyson? I love the tools themselves, how they click on. Listen to this.
Yeah, it's really easy to change
on.
the attachments,
They
and that's
don't
because
break
of
down.
these quick release buttons that we have on here.
They're just great. I can max mode this baby. Listen,
Sure.
boom, blink and you'll miss that. That's gone.
I don't
See
even
you
think they
later.
saw it. I think
Look
you got
out.
it so fast.
Okay, now there's another thing.
So
I
let's
love,
go.
love. Don't ever do this. Tony, have you ever done this, my producer? You take a big, heavy vacuum with a cord and you go and you do your stairs like that, right? And I've done it. Have you done it?
I've done it, and it's scary.
It's just a dumb idea.
And it's also,
Don't
you
do
know,
that.
you're worried about the cord tripping you up as you go.
Of course.
You have to plug it in, unplug it. Look how easy this is. In Rick's hand, this is about 4 pounds, so really, really lightweight, no cord to trip him up.
Come on.
And it's so quick and easy, and it fits right into the risers as well as the treads of the
Perfect.
stairs.
This
So
is a great tool right here.
it's amazing.
Best
And
handheld vac on the planet
It's
Earth.
really like you're getting 3 vacuums in one with this because you have your handheld vacuum, you have the vacuum that's going to go up high, and
Right.
you have the one that's going to do all the floors.
No doubt about it. So
Yeah.
your stick vacuum, your handheld vacuum, and then your carpet vacuum.
Yep.
Only here. There is a catch. Price goes away. 200 people are shopping right now. Free shipping and handling. The whole shooting match is our President's Day sale. So good news is you can pick it up right now from Dyson. And the V8, make no mistake, is the #1 bestseller on Q, right?
Yes, this
Why do you
is
think
our
that is?
bestseller because it's got everything that you need. It's got lots of power. It is lightweight and compact. It has our root cyclonic technology and our latest detangling technology. So we know that so many of you are pet owners or you just have long hair yourself. This is going to really eliminate that frustration of having to clean your vacuum. It also has the power to drive deep down into the carpeted surfaces, to dust your bare floors because of the way the cleaner head is engineered. And it's all powered by that digital V8 motor and has advanced whole machine filtration. So that means as we are capturing the dirt, the dust, and the allergens, we're not spreading them throughout our home. And Rick, that's the reality. Other vacuums that don't have that filtration, when you pick up the dirt and debris,
we've seen it.
It blows right out the back.
If
and
you
then
ever
you just have to clean more.
if you vacuum and then sneeze,
Yeah, you
there's
smell
a reason.
that odor.
Because
Yep.
all of that stuff, because actually the air has to go somewhere when you vacuum. People
Exactly.
don't realize that. That
Yep.
it does, like, so what happens is it goes into the filter. And what comes out is clean air.
Exactly.
Right? So you're not
And,
getting the gunk or
you
the
know,
hair or the particles or the little microns of stuff coming through.
The other
This is just
thing
great.
is we all have to clean. So, you know, if you get the right tools, it makes it so much easier.
Well, raise your hand
Carpet.
if your back is getting any better as you get older, or if you want a heavier vacuum, or if you want to trip over a cord. Nobody wants to do that. You know, there was a way that we listened to music back in the 70s with an album with an 8-track tape, and times have changed, right? We have the MacBook Air, we have the iPad coming up. There's different ways to vacuum now.
Yep.
And it's an easier way, and it's better
Different
technology.
ways because you can go over your head too.
And the other
right?
thing is too is, and make no mistake, we like our, what's the one with the laser on it? What's that one called?
Oh, the V15?
If you want the V15, we've got it. But you want to spend $500 and $600 and $700. There's like, right?
Sure. Yep.
Different kinds of Dysons out there.
Absolutely.
But the reason for me, for my money, because I asked you, I think because this is the Goldilocks. This is the sweet spot. It's so lightweight, long battery life.
Yep.
Does the job.
Yeah.
I'm not spending $700.
Right, and you have all the tools with this pack up. You get 5 additional tools that you wouldn't normally get, so there's
Right.
really a tool for every job on that spring cleaning
Just
list.
like this one, for example. Like this is a nice one.
Oh, I
we
love
never
that.
talk about this one. This is a soft bristle brush.
And it's great for, you know, if you got the TSV and you want to be able to dust the keyboards.
Yeah.
If you want to dust your television screens.
Yeah.
Picture frames.
This one is a stiff bristle brush.
Yes, I use
Digs
that
in.
when the dogs come in, they have mud on their paws.
Right.
And it dries into that rug.
Dried mud.
Yep.
Perfect. Let's go and get up the bed bugs.
Mattress, yep.
The
and
mattress
curtains
tool.
And pillows.
Right?
Yep.
So that and so much more. So love it, love it, love it. So stay on the line if you're on the line. Almost 300